Sometimes life feels heavy because you keep asking, waiting, hoping, and still wondering when things will finally change. You may be doing your best, but deep inside, there is a small part of you that feels tired, confused, or unsure. This message is for that part of you. The words you speak every day are not small. They carry your belief, your energy, and your emotions. When you keep speaking fear, you feel more fear. But when you begin speaking trust, peace, and hope, something inside you starts to shift. You begin to feel calmer. You begin to feel supported. You begin to remember that life is not against you. In this script, we are going to slowly open your heart to trust, receive, and allow good things to come into your life. And from the next section, you will begin hearing long-form affirmations that you can repeat, feel, and keep close to your heart. Let every word remind you that you are not alone, and the universe is already working in ways you cannot see yet. I am ready to receive the good that is meant for me. I open my heart slowly and gently, without fear, without pressure, and without forcing anything to happen. I allow peace to enter my mind. I allow trust to fill my heart. I remind myself that I do not have to understand every step of the journey to believe that something beautiful is still possible for me. I am safe to believe again. I am safe to hope again. I am safe to trust that life can change in a gentle and loving way. I trust that everything I need is being guided toward me at the right time. I release the need to chase what is already meant for my life. I release the fear that I am too late, too far behind, or not enough. I am enough right now. I am worthy right now. I am open to blessings that come in expected and unexpected ways. I allow the universe to support me, guide me, protect me, and bring me everything that is truly aligned with my highest good. I breathe deeply, I soften my heart, and I quietly say yes to receiving more love, more peace, more abundance, more healing, and more beautiful opportunities into my life. The words you speak matter because they slowly become the thoughts you believe. When you keep saying, "Nothing is working for me," your mind begins to look for proof that life is hard. But when you gently say, "Things are working out for me," your heart begins to feel a little safer, a little calmer, and a little more open. This does not mean you have to pretend everything is perfect. It simply means you are choosing words that help you rise instead of words that keep you stuck. Every word you repeat is like a message you send to yourself. If you speak with fear, your body feels heavy. If you speak with trust, your body begins to relax. If you speak with hope, your mind starts looking for new possibilities. This is why the words you say every morning, every night, and even in your quiet moments are so powerful. They shape how you feel, how you think, and how you move through life. So today, choose words that support you. Choose words that remind you that you are guided, loved, protected, and ready to receive what is meant for you. When you speak from fear, your words feel heavy. You may say, "What if it never happens?" Or "What if I lose everything?" Or "What if I am not good enough?" These words may feel real in the moment, but they often come from pain, worry, and past disappointments. Fear makes you feel like you have to control everything, chase everything, and hold everything tightly. But trust feels different. Trust feels softer. Trust says, even if I cannot see the full path right now, I believe something good is still possible for me. Speaking from trust does not mean you never feel afraid. It means you do not allow fear to be the only voice inside you. You gently remind yourself that you are supported. You remind yourself that life can surprise you in beautiful ways. You say words that bring your heart back to peace. You speak as if the universe is listening with love. You speak as if your desires are not far away, but already moving toward you in the right way. And the more you speak from trust, the more your heart begins to feel safe enough to receive. Now bring your heart to this simple phrase. I trust the universe to bring me everything that is meant for me in the right way, at the right time. Say it slowly. Do not rush it. Let every word settle inside you. These words are not about begging. They are not about forcing life to move faster. They are about opening your heart and reminding yourself that you are supported, even when you cannot see the full answer yet. When you say, I trust, you are telling your mind to relax. When you say, the universe will bring me everything that is meant for me, you are allowing life to work in a way that is bigger than your fear. And when you say, in the right way, at the right time, you are giving yourself permission to stop fighting the timing. You are choosing peace over panic. You are choosing faith over worry. You are choosing to believe that what is truly yours cannot miss you. So say it with a soft heart. Say it with belief. And let these words become a quiet promise to yourself that good things are still coming. After you speak your desire, you do not have to hold it with fear. You do not have to check every minute if it is coming. You do not have to keep asking, when will it happen? Or how will it happen? Sometimes, the more tightly you hold something, the more tired your heart becomes. Letting go does not mean you stop believing. Letting go means you trust enough to breathe again. It means you have said what is in your heart. And now you allow life to move in its own beautiful way. The universe does not need your panic to bring you blessings. It does not need your worry to open the right doors. What is meant for you can still find you when your heart is calm. So release the pressure. Release the need to control every detail. Release the fear that nothing is happening just because you cannot see it yet. Behind the scenes, life may already be arranging people, timing, chances, and answers for you. Your work now is to stay open, stay gentle with yourself, and trust that what is coming will arrive in a way that feels right for your soul. Before you receive everything you have been asking for, your heart must feel safe enough to accept it. Sometimes people ask for love, peace, money, success, healing, and better opportunities, but deep inside, they still feel like they do not deserve it. They push blessings away without even knowing it. They say they want more, but their heart quietly says, maybe this is not for me. This is why becoming ready to receive is so important. You are allowed to receive good things. You are allowed to have a peaceful life. You are allowed to be loved without fear. You are allowed to be supported without guilt. You are allowed to have money, success, comfort, and happiness without feeling bad about it. Receiving does not make you selfish. Receiving means you are finally allowing life to bless you in the way you have been praying for. So open your heart gently. Do not close yourself because of the past. Do not reject your blessings because of old pain. Tell yourself, I am ready. I am worthy. I am open. And let your heart believe that everything meant for you can come to you with ease. I am open to receiving everything that is meant for me with peace, trust, and love. I no longer close my heart because of fear. I no longer tell myself that good things are only for other people. I now allow blessings to enter my life in beautiful and unexpected ways. I allow love to find me. I allow peace to calm me. I allow abundance to support me. I allow healing to move through every part of my life. I am ready to receive what I have been asking for, and I trust that it can come to me in the right way. I welcome new opportunities, kind people, clear answers, and gentle miracles into my life. I believe that I am worthy of being supported. I believe that I am worthy of feeling safe, happy, successful, and loved. I let go of the old belief that I must struggle to receive. I let go of the feeling that I have to prove my worth. I am already worthy. I am already enough. I now open my heart and say yes to the good that is coming. I trust the universe to bring me what is aligned with my highest good, and I receive it with a grateful heart. Trusting the timing of the universe is not always easy, especially when your heart has been waiting for a long time. Sometimes you may look around and feel like other people are moving ahead while you are still standing in the same place. You may wonder why your prayers have not been answered yet, or why the thing you want feels so close one day and so far away the next. But a delay does not always mean denial. Sometimes life is preparing you. Sometimes life is protecting you. Sometimes the universe is moving things into the right place before it brings them to you. What is meant for you does not need to arrive through stress, fear, or force. It can arrive when your heart is ready, when the timing is right, and when the path is more aligned for you. So do not lose faith just because you cannot see the full picture today. Keep speaking with trust. Keep choosing peace. Keep believing that something beautiful is still unfolding for you. The universe may be working in silence, but that does not mean it is not working. Your blessing may be closer than you think. As you come to the end of this message, take a deep breath and remind yourself that you do not have to carry everything alone. The words you speak today can become the peace you feel tomorrow. Keep saying, I trust the universe to bring me everything that is meant for me in the right way, at the right time. Say it when you feel strong, and say it when you feel unsure. Say it when life feels clear, and say it when you cannot see the next step. Let these words bring your heart back to trust. Everything meant for you can still find you. The right people, the right chances, the right blessings, and the right answers can come into your life in ways you never expected. Stay open. Stay gentle with yourself. Stay faithful to the good that is still unfolding. If this message brought peace to your heart, please like this video. Share it with someone who needs encouragement, and subscribe for more healing and empowering affirmations. Also, comment below, "I trust the universe," and let that be your reminder that everything meant for you is already on its way.